2026 BYD ATTO 3, a revolutionary electric SUV. Welcome to Drive Digest, your go-to source for everything automotive. In today's feature, we're diving into the world of electric vehicles with an in-depth look at the 2026 BYD ATTO 3. This electric compact SUV continues to push the boundaries of innovation, combining cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and stylish design. Let's explore why the ATTO 3 is quickly becoming one of the most exciting EVs on the market. Exterior design, bold and aerodynamic. The 2026 BYD ATTO 3 makes a striking first impression with its sleek and modern design. The updated front fascia features a sharper grille-less look, aligning with BYD's signature dragon face aesthetic. Slim LED headlights and a flowing roofline give the ATTO 3 a futuristic vibe, while subtle creases on the sides enhance its aerodynamic profile. The two-tone color options and bold wheel designs allow buyers to customize their ride with a premium touch. It's not just about looks. This design contributes to better efficiency and reduced wind resistance. Interior technology meets comfort. Step inside the ATTO 3, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends minimalism with advanced tech. The centerpiece is the 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen, running BYD's latest Dialink OS, offering seamless navigation, entertainment, and smart controls. The interior materials have seen an upgrade, with eco-friendly spacious seating and a panoramic sunroof enhance the sense of openness, while the customizable ambient lighting creates a serene atmosphere. With 440 liters of cargo space, it's practical too, perfect for families and weekend adventurers alike. Performance, power, and efficiency. Under the hood, the 2026 ATTO 3 features BYD's advanced blade battery technology, offering improved energy density and safety. The electric motor delivers 201 horsepower and 310 Nm of torque, enabling smooth acceleration and confident highway cruising. With a 0.68 time of 7.2 seconds, the ATTO 3 balances performance and efficiency. The extended range model boasts a driving range of up to 340 miles, WLTP, making it ideal for both urban commutes and long road trips. Fast charging capabilities allow you to recharge from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes, ensuring you're back on the road quickly. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a top priority for the 2026 BYD ATTO 3. It comes equipped with an advanced suite of driver assistance systems under the BYD Pilot platform. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system provide peace of mind on every journey. Additionally, the ATTO 3's blade battery is renowned for its robust safety standards, offering excellent thermal management and crash resistance. Sustainability and cost-effectiveness. BYD has positioned the ATTO 3 as an eco-friendly yet affordable electric SUV. The use of sustainable materials in the interior and the energy-efficient blade battery highlight the brand's commitment to reducing its carbon footprint. Moreover, with government incentives and BYD's competitive pricing strategy, the ATTO 3 offers exceptional value in the EV market, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. Conclusion. The 2026 BYD ATTO 3 is a testament to how far electric vehicles have come. Its blend of style, performance, technology, and sustainability sets it apart in the ever-growing EV segment. Whether you're a first-time EV buyer or looking to upgrade, the ATTO 3 deserves serious consideration. Stay tuned to Drive Digest for more reviews, insights, and updates on the latest in automotive innovation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next episode.